So are you ready for another video on about SEO? So let's take about 5 minutes and go through this website that I found real quick. I'm gonna set a timer up here for 5 minutes and get this thing going. Hey, just in case you don't know, I've got new people coming to my page. I know I've got a lot of friends on my page, but I'm Don. I own a food truck, but I also I'm determined to help small businesses bring in more customers with less overhead. So, with that being said, let's get started here. I found this plumbing company basically on the internet. I've been doing a couple of different things, and I found them on the internet. It's called J&E Plumbing. This is their Facebook page, and this is kind of I went to this first, and this is their website right here. So real quick, I looked down here at their service areas, and they're in Beverly Hills, California, Pasadena, California, so forth and so on, right? But if you look up here on their page, their title tag, it has nothing to say about that. Just plumber, vent, and rooter, 24-hour services. On their page, there is nothing about anything about the cities that they serve, anything like that. So, in my opinion, this kind of needs like a redesign to get all of those cities that they service involved onto their webpage. Also, if they own the JE Plumbing, let's see, J&E Plumbing, they need to also get kind of a professional email, I would say. So Gmail's good, but for a plumbing company, anything to do with business, it looks a lot better if you have a business email. Okay. So that's what I would do, and we all fall into this trap. Okay. We all want to tell my story, and I would put this right here onto a different page of the website. It's cool that you want to tell your story, but it doesn't need to be front and center. What needs to be front and center is people, when they have a problem, if they have a drain clogged, a faucet broke, something along those natures, they come here real quick, and it's easy to see how they can get in contact. Um, I don't like this. I mean, I'm not trying to be hateful or anything like that, but it's just this isn't attracting Google to your page for people to see you. It needs just new titles about whatever town you're going to go after. If you're going to go Pasadena, I'm saying maybe the most reliable plumber in Pasadena, something like that. You've got to get those titles right to get people to your page. Um, Besides that, they have services here, you know, honest upfront pricing. That's great, but I would still change all of this. You're talking about services. This needs to lead off with drain cleaning and maybe a name of a town and just kind of blocks where people can go and just create multiple pages onto your website. This I just don't like this. This isn't getting Google to look at your site and get you up to the top, if that makes sense. So this just needs to be totally redone. It's cool about this. I'm glad you do this, but it's not serving you any purposes for Google when you're doing this. Let's do this book now, see what happens here. Oh. Let's open this application. Yeah, so right there, you're making it really super hard for people like me. Like if I was in Pasadena and I found your website and I went on to here and I'm trying to book you, I'm leaving your site right now and going to somebody else. You're making it too hard. You're causing too much friction to do business with for me to do business with you. So that's all got to be totally redone in my opinion because it's just making it too difficult. Call now. This isn't clickable, so that tells me it's not mobile friendly. You want to make everything mobile friendly. Also, you need to have a thing on here about Google reviews, in my opinion. You need to be getting more Google reviews. There's a lot that can be done to help boost this site and get the site looking better and more functional for people that's coming to find your website. So, with that being said, I like the picture, everything else. It's really not it's not search engine optimized for what you're trying to do to get business from. So I would consider maybe redoing it. Um, and just getting it optimized so that way Google can get you up onto the first page for some of those search terms that I talked about. All right. And time is out. All right, guys. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day. I'll see you. Bye.